Hello everyone, I'm Andre from Kidscode, and today I'm going to show you how to create a more advanced type of coding exercise. So let's see how that works. There's my exercise area, and as always, remember to protect it with the World Edit tool to prevent your students from destroying it. And if you don't know how to do that, make sure you watch the area protection tutorial. So right here I have my A and B blocks that you've seen in the previous coding video, and I've added 3 extra blocks, a number 1 and number 2, that you can create using the symbol block. And right here at the end we're going to place an exercise block, and we'll see that in a moment. I'm just going to place 2 levers on these 2 blocks, one here and another one right here. Then I'm going to pick up a red exercise block, and make sure you take the red one because it's the only one which can be set up. And I'm going to block the entrance towards the B block just like this. And this red block can have an ID number in it as well, so I'm going to right click it and type in a number ID. And as you can see, number 32 is already taken because there are other similar blocks in this world which were placed previously. So I'm going to pick 42 as suggested by the game. And now I need to place down a few doors which won't open unless they are triggered by a specific action from the Kidsbot. Put down the first door, then pick up the Super Edit tool and left click that door. Let's link this door to the red block, so simply type in the red block ID in the associate field. So in this case it's going to be 42. Now do the same thing with 2 other doors, but this time link them to the levers by typing in the lever ID in the appropriate field. Don't forget to press the OK button every time you make a change in this interface. The last thing you should remember is to left click the red block with the Super Editor and tick the Destructible box. Remember that a user with a student profile cannot break anything by default, and the same thing goes for the Kidsbot if the robot is set to exercise mode. So this way, we tell the game that the Kidsbot can break the red block, but students still won't be able to do so because this block is an exception created for coding only. Once you're done programming the robot, press play and watch how doors will open one after the other. You can also use a password door to block the way to the next level. Pick it up from the inventory, place it somewhere in the world, then type in any kind of password that includes digits and letters. Then, click the Set button to confirm your changes. Now, all these red blocks can be destroyed, and under each one of them there's a letter I've placed. Once the red blocks are destroyed, all the letters will appear, and it's up to the students to place them in the right order to find the password. And this is just a simple idea you can use for your exercises, but I'm sure you have a vivid imagination and you can do something even cooler than this. And now, when a student finds the password, they just need to right-click the door, enter the password, and click the Unlock button. And voila, they're free to go to the next exercise. Thanks a lot for watching this tutorial. I hope it gave you some ideas to feed your creativity. We're eager to see your creations on our platform, so don't forget to share them with the Teach the World button on your launcher. Stay creative, and see you soon on Kidscode.